Let's make coasters today. These lovely ones. An entire set. First, we'll cut the newspaper into strips. We'll get 4 strips out of this sheet. This is a single sheet of newspaper. Fold it into half, then quarter, and then once more, and then very neatly and carefully cut out the strips. Here are our 4 strips ready from a single sheet of newspaper. Today we are going to make a very pretty set of coasters where the variation in color comes because we've used 2 different sets of newspapers, the Economic Times with a very light pink shade and regular newspaper which is off-white in color. Let's begin. Let's make a tubule with the Economic Times, that is a pink tubule. This is what we do. Start at the corner and roll your newspaper tubule gently. Stick it once you've reached the end and hold it there gently for a couple of seconds till you are done. Now let's make the tubule with the other newspaper, the regular off-white one. Can you see? We start again at the corner and roll as we did earlier. And now we stick it at the end and we'll have our tubule ready. Now we'll begin the coiling to make the disc. Remember, we have to coil with alternate colors tubules. This is how we begin. We used a toothpick to start the tubule disc. Take out the toothpick once it has begun and then continue coiling till you reach the end of the disc. Put in a little bit of Fevicol when you're almost at the end so that even if your disc unravels, the whole thing doesn't fall apart. Now we are almost at the end. Watch carefully how we insert one tubule into another to get the next one in place and continue coiling. You can put in a little Fevicol at the joint level also so that it stays in place. Notice that we've added a white tubule this time and you continue the process of coiling. This is how we continue coiling, one white, one pink, till you come to the actual size of the coaster that you need. You can even place it down flat and then continue. This makes life a little easier. Remember, it's always good to tug it a little bit after every couple of seconds so that your coil turns out tight. Also, keep adding a little bit of Fevicol at various points so that your disc remains safe. Continue coiling like this till you reach the desired size of the coaster, which is about 3.5 inch ready. If you like, you can put a clothespin at the point where you're putting your last tubule in place to hold your coaster tight. Leave it like this for a couple of minutes. If you like, you can use a binder clip also at that place. There, we've got our coaster ready. Can you see the lovely gradation of pink and white? We've kept the coaster about 3.5 to 4 inch because we are going to add a braid to it next. Now we are going to press it gently down so that all the tubules fit in place on both the sides. Next we are going to put a generous amount of Fevicol all over the coaster on both the sides so that the tubules stick in place. Remember, you can use your fingers to press the Fevicol in or you can use a brush. Wait for one side to dry, Then you flip it over and do the same on the other side. Now we are going to make a regular braid using 2 pink and 1 white tubule. The first step is to hold all the 3 together before we begin making our braid. You can use a clothespin or just regular sellotape to hold it down. The next step is just to make an ordinary braid. Over from one side, over from the next side, and continue making the braid. You don't have to worry too much about the tubules, just consider it like regular hair. When you're almost at the end of the tubules for your braid, all you have to do is just hold it down like this gently. You don't have to put a clothespin or anything. It will stay in place. Our braid is ready. Now we are going to stick it around the coaster. Hold up your braid and flatten it out a little bit. It will be easier to stick it down. Put a generous amount of Fevicol all around the edges of the coaster. Next, start putting the braid and hold down the first point with a clothespin. It makes it easier. Stick it gently all around the Fevicol area on the outside edge of the coaster. Hold it down for a few seconds, giving the Fevicol time for it to stick. Once you're sure that the braid is stuck, remove the clothespin and gently cut each strand of the braid so that you can get it into place. Stick it down and hold it in place with a little bit of extra Fevicol. Now stick the top part of the braid in place. Add a generous amount of Fevicol and then cut out the extra strands of the braid. Remember, you might need to put in a little bit of extra Fevicol to get it stuck in place properly. And if you like, you can use the clothespin and leave it in place for a while till your coaster sticks down properly. Now we put the Fevicol on the braid also so that the entire coaster is done nice and proper. Here, our coaster is ready. Isn't it looking pretty? If you prefer a colored coaster, this is what you can do. Paint it in any single shade or double shade to get a colorful coaster. Our coasters are ready. We're all set for tea time.